Learn how to apply for Astra Awards. Let's go! It only takes a few minutes to apply. Even if you've already received awards, you can be eligible for new awards. Getting started. Start by logging in to your NLC My Apps. Select Astra, then click Apply. Most of the information in this section should be automatically uploaded to the application from Borealis. Answer all the questions before moving on to the next section. Every field must have an entry. Enter 0 instead of leaving it blank. Astra saves your application as you go, so you can return any time to complete it. You can also change or add new information at any time. Under Other Monthly Expenses, include everything you haven't mentioned yet, examples, pet care, or medications. If you need help, you can contact financial aid or the NLC Foundation. When you've completed the general application, you must now complete all items on your dashboard to be considered for the awards shown. Quick tip: in Word or your Notes app, write a short letter about 500 words to use as your template for each award. This is a good time to pause the video to make sure you include everything on this list. Then, for each award, address any other criteria required. Each award has a specific criteria that you will need to address. This can be done by adding an additional paragraph to address those requirements. Successful applicants will be notified by email. There are 5 award cycles each year. Log in every month so you don't miss any opportunities. What are you waiting for? Astra. Apply now.